Do a wide shot. Get us both in then, can we?
What's that supposed to mean? Do you just realise what you just said? Let's do a wide shot because we'll fit you both in then. Oh my god.
Yeah.
He's such a god.
Oh dear. What's going on, peeps?
Hi guys.
Ben and Christopher back. How long's it been?
Well, it's the first one this year, isn't it, Benj?
Yeah, it's been over 2 months.
2 months.
Hope you all had a good Christmas and a happy New Year.
Obviously extra holiday weight, guys. Just before you get that in. All right.
Yeah, so we're back, and we're back with another video on my car on the Type R, aren't we? Well, if you live in England, which I think 85% of you do, and you own a car like I do, the FN2 Type R, you will know that they leak really badly in the boot, especially, and the footwell. Luckily, mine's not in the footwell; it's in the boot. So today, we're going to tackle trying to fix the loop, and I think this could be very helpful for a lot of people.
The loop?
The boot. The boot loop.
Loop?
The boot.
Boot?
Boot. Gonna fix the boot. Leak in the boot. Dick. So yeah, before we start, even though we've not been uploading, we've still been gaining subscribers, which is
Yeah, it's pretty good.
a bit weird really, because we've been pretty lack, haven't we, on
Very. Well, it's just been, as you
the...
said,
Close
the
to-
weather's just been horrendous.
that, and we've just been super busy, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we haven't really had anything to upload.
No.
You know what I mean? I've got the window tints are here, they're there. So we're going to do that, and obviously this video, the bonnet, well that's a whole different story.
Oh, God.
Bonnet I ordered in November, still not here. Got lost in the post, so they've just sent me a new one, so I'm hoping that comes next week. Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
So that's another video. Anyway, so yeah, big thanks to all the new subscribers, and welcome along to the channel that uploads once every 2 months. We're not, we're getting back on it now, and car season's soon.
Yes,
So
yeah.
hopefully get
Japfest
some
soon.
of those.
Japfest, not far away, is it?
Nope, can't wait.
A few months.
So yeah, so let's have a goose. Well, I haven't videoed stripping the boot out because it's a bit boring really. You just literally pull it all. There's a few bolts to undo, but that's about it. There's two.
And there's a lot of clips to break as well.
Yeah, I did break a few. There's a bolt there. There's a bolt there, which you can't see without lifting the little flappy thingy up. And there's a bolt there and a bolt there, and then that whole bottom bit comes out, and then I literally just pulled everything else, snapped that bit there, ideal. But there we go, we have an empty boot, and I've stripped all this off as well. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to get in the car, in the boot, shut the boot. Chris is going to stand with a watering can, pouring it over me.
He thinks it's a
Not
water.
over.
He thinks it's a water can.
And hopefully we're going to see where it's coming in. It's coming in just on this side. The water's always up there and down there. You can see it's a bit down there.
I reckon it's the lights, mate. I reckon it's coming.
So it's
through the
either going to
lights.
be the lights, the grommets, or the spoiler potentially. So let's see if we can see where it's coming in, shall we?
Let's get at it.
I'm getting in.
Going in.
I'm in. This is
Ready?
weird. I feel like I'm being kidnapped.
Aye. God, it's boots heavy, man.
I know. Mercedes. Oh my god, I can't even shut it. Mercedes boot struts, that is. Alright, here we go. Let's have a goose. Oh my god, that sounds weird. Can't see nothing yet. Pour it up here, Chrissy, as well, on the roof. I cannot see anything. Oh, hang on, hang on. Looked a bit wet down there. Coming in there. Oh, hang on, what was that? There's a bit there.
Anything?
Yep.
Found it.
Oh, A line of water running down here and sitting in there.
Yeah.
And it looks like there's a little plastic white clip there. That's definitely leaking. There. I don't know what that's doing.
Is it like a grommet or something?
Look at this, look. It's fucking pissing in. Oh my god. What the fuck are they for? As you can see, we think we found where it's coming in, but I don't really know what those holes are for. Those holes, I'm assuming, are for to clip all the plastics back in, so if I seal them up, then will I be able to get the plastics back on? There he is, look. He's going to lock me in the boot and I'm going to go fucking crazy. Time lapse! Right, I've sealed pretty much everything. I've gone way overboard. I'll show you. I've done like lights where they come in. It's an absolute mess, but I don't really care. If you're going to see it, those holes, all in there, all those, all that, all those, and then I'm going to go outside and try and seal underneath where the light air cluster thingy is on the boot lid. I've chucked some around there, and I've just sealed pretty much anything and everything overly sealed, which I think is the best thing to do. It seems strange to me though that it was coming, I thought it was coming in that corner, but it all seems to be coming in the boot lid and then must be just making its way down out of here or something. I don't bloody know. So yes, we're going to let it dry and then hopefully it's fixed. I've also sealed around, oh god, around the number plate and up under there. See if that makes a difference. So we'll let it dry. Put it all back together.
Did you not let me wheel screech it as well down the bottom? Oh, I fucking raked the shit out of it. You know, I had a quarter of a tank in it. Yeah. When I got it there, yeah, the light was on.
Really?
I fucking booted the shit out of it.
Talking about his missus. Right, we're done. I've sealed around these as well. I took these out and I also cleaned all the crap out. I need to do these ones, it's disgusting. I cleaned all the crap out around them with a toothbrush.
Very nice, mate.
I need to take all them out, but I don't really want to take them out now. I've just
cleaned it all.
I've just sealed it all as well. So yeah, I think we're done. All the plastics are back in. Well, only time will tell, I guess, but
yeah, that's it, mate.
That's it.
Done the best you can do with it. It's all been sealed up.
There's nothing else I can do, really. The only other thing is they tend to go, well, you can't really see it, but here, there's where the boot hinges are. The welds crack, and you want to like put some, I don't know what, you put some kind of filler, sand it down and fill it.
To be fair, though, we blasted a lot of water in that area.
Yeah, we did.
Nothing came in there. It was literally back here, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Seemed to be there, so
yes.
Let's just hope that secured it, mate. But obviously, if it's built up over time, then it's...
Yeah, and it's been sat for like 2 months, but it's, wow.
You could have literally had some goldfish in there, mate.
It was disgusting.
Bit of salt water, a bit of a pump, and...
Bloody lovely.
Lovely.
So that's it. It wasn't really a how-to, it kind of was, but yeah. Well, it's not, if you've got this issue, it's not that hard. The hardest bit is pulling the back out. But
yeah.
just go, mine's gone back in all right. A lot of clips were broken in the process, but the hardest bits are the side bits. But anyway, whatever. That's it. No. But it's don't look too bad. Oh, take your finger out as well. Oh, look, and there's a socket in there.
Oh, you fucking, yeah.
But yeah, it's quite stinks of silicone in there, but it ain't gone back too bad.
You left the
to
gun
be
there
honest.
for future reference, mate?
Well, it goes back in the van, doesn't it, by you? Take your humidifier as well.
Oh, do you not want that one?
You can have eBay.
Well, I don't know, it's starting to go green, mate. starting to fill up.
So that's it. We're done. Chrissy.
For now.
That's the end of another video. We're going to try and get back on it on my next video, window tints, which we might do right after this one. Double video day before it gets dark. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. Do all the good stuff. Like, comment, share, blah, 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 blah. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Peace.